Now we are going to discuss about the genic balance theory of sex determination. In the last class, we were discussed about the chromosomal theory of sex determination. Actually, the X and Y chromosomes plays an important role in determining the sex of an individual. According to genic balance theory of sex determination, autosomes also plays an important role. Autosomes also plays an important role according to this theory. Autosomes also plays an important. Who said that? The Bridges has explained the genic balance theory of sex determination, mechanics of sex determination by taking the Drosophila melanogaster as an example, and he explained about how the autosomes plays an important role in determining the sex of an individual. Say here, how can we define the balance between the genes which are located on X chromosomes and the genes which are located on the X chromosomes of female, and the genes which are located on the autosomes, which determine the maleness. He has given, the Bridges has given, according to his concept, the balance between the genes of femaleness are located on X chromosome and the genes of maleness are located on the autosomes by taking the ratio between the X chromosomes and autosomes. I will write the definition here. According to his concept, Bridges' concept, balance between genes of femaleness located on X chromosome and genes of maleness located on autosomes. By this, he has given a small formula: sex index equal to the balance between X chromosomes and autosomes, that X by A ratio he has given. X is nothing but number of X chromosomes, the ratio between number of X chromosomes and haploid set of autosomes. Sex index is equal to X by A ratio. And why? How it happens? Autosomes, how they plays an important role instead of Y chromosome, and how he has proved by taking the different examples. I will give the examples to you here. Okay, my dear students, here you write this definition: balance between the genes of femaleness are located on X chromosome and genes of maleness are located on autosomes. And he has given the sex index, that is ratio, that's the formula he has given, X by A ratio. X is nothing but number of X chromosomes and haploid set of autosomes. That is about the sex index ratio. How he has proved? I will take examples and I will give examples. So how it happens also? How it happens? Because of non-disjunction, there is a failure of segregation of chromosomes during the anaphase stage, that is in the meiosis 1 or the meiosis 2. Because of the non-disjunction, that is a separation, there is a failure in the separation of chromosomes during the anaphase stage of meiosis 1 or meiosis 2. It leads to aneuploidy, non-disjunction of chromosomes. During which phase? During meiosis 1 or meiosis 2 of anaphase stage. By that there is a formation of abnormal individuals. Formation takes place. That abnormal individuals, he has taken that abnormal individuals and he has explained the X by how the autosomes plays an important role in determining the sex, AO-OVA, and AX sperm he has taken. It leads to the formation of AAXO. I have given the sex index, that is the ratio I have given. Sex index is equal to X by A ratio. X by how many X chromosomes are here? 1, 2, 0.5. That is nothing but the male. How can we say this is the male, madam? We can say, how can we say 2 X chromosomes are female individuals, 1 X and 1 Y chromosome are the male individual. Like that, here also 0.5 is nothing but the male. Even though there is the absence of which chromosome? Y chromosome is absent. Here, Y chromosome is absent. Even though it is a male. It is a male. Other example, AXX-OVA. AY sperm he has taken, and it leads to the formation of AAXX. That is nothing but the 2 by 2 is equal to 1. This is a female. This is a female. So like that, there is a sperm, AX sperm, AO-OVA, AAXO formation. That leads to the formation of that is nothing but it's a syngamy. Syngamy is nothing but union of sperm and ova leads to the formation of an individual. That is a male. Here it is a female. Even though there is a presence of Y chromosome, it became a female. Even though there is absence of Y chromosome, it became a male. By taking, here there is a table is there. Here different sets of chromosomes, number of autosomes and number of X chromosomes, number of haploid set of autosomes, number of X chromosomes, complement of X chromosome, X by A ratio, phenotype of an individual I have given in the chart. So how we have given this chart, madam? By taking diploid female, diploid male. Diploid female, how? AXXX, AX, diploid male. Here there is a ova and the sperms formation takes place. ఇక్కడ నుంచి మనం ఇక్కడ 2 A తీసుకుందాం, ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఒక X తీసుకుందాం. Like that there will be the non-disjunction of chromosomes. There is union of the sperm. ఇక్కడ నుంచి కొన్ని ఏవో ఒకటి ఇక్కడ ఒక X ఉన్నటువంటి ఓవా అనే ఫామ్ అయింది కావచ్చు. ఇంతకుముందు చెప్పాను నేను నాన్ డిజైన్షన్ ఇస్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఇట్ లీడ్స్ టు ద ఏ న్యూక్లాయిడ్, దట్ ఈస్ ఏ 2n+1 ఆర్ 2n-1. దర్ ఈస్ ఏ ఇక్కడ ఇది ఒకటే వచ్చింది X క్రోమోజోమ్. ఇక్కడ నుంచి 2 Aలు రావచ్చు. అలా కాకుండా ఇక్కడ నుంచి 2 Aలు వచ్చి ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఒక X రావచ్చు. ఏదైనా కావచ్చు. సో లైక్ దట్ AXO, AXX, AXX, AXO, AXX. Like this, I have given the 1/2 is equal to 0.5, 2/2 is equal to 1. Here, less than 0.5 is the meta male. More than, less than 0.5 is the meta male, and the more than 1, that is the super female. Super female. In between this ratio, 0.51 ratio, that is called intersex. For example, you take the 2/2. మీకు ఈజీగా గుర్తుంచుకోవాలి, ఇక్కడ బట్టి పట్టాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. దేర్ ఇస్ నో నీడ్ టు బై హార్ట్. ఏ విధంగా తీసుకోవాలి అని అంటే ఇక్కడ 2 Aలు తీసుకోండి, ఇక్కడ ఒక X తీసుకోండి ఒకసారి. అదేవిధంగా ఇక్కడ ఒక 2 Aలు తీసుకొని ఇక్కడ ఒక XY తీసుకోండి. అదేవిధంగా ఇక్కడ నుంచి 2 Aలు తీసుకొని ఇక్కడ 2 Xలు తీసుకోండి. అదేవిధంగా ఇక్కడ నుంచి 3 Xలు తీసుకొని ఇక్కడ ఒక 2 Aలు తీసుకోండి. ఇట్లా రకరకాలుగా మీ కాంబినేషన్ లో మీరు ట్రై చేయండి. ట్రై చేస్తే అప్పుడు ఏమైతుంది, మీకు రకరకాల ఇండివిజువల్ ఫామ్ అవుతారు. అప్పుడు నేను చెప్పిన దాని ప్రకారం ఇక్కడ లెస్ దాన్ 0.5 అయితే మెటామైల్ అవుతుంది, లెస్ దాన్ 0.5 అయితే మెటామైల్ అవుతుంది, గ్రేటర్ దాన్ 1 అయితే సూపర్ ఫీమేల్ అవుతుంది. ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ దిస్ రేషియో అయితే ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ దిస్ రేషియో అన్నప్పుడు 0.67 అనేటటువంటి దానిలో 3 Aలు, 3 ఆటోజోమ్స్ అండ్ 2 X క్రోమోజోమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. 3 Aలు అని ఎందుకంటున్నా నేను ఈజీగా ఉండడం కోసం. 3 ఆటోజోమ్స్ అండ్ 2 X క్రోమోజోమ్స్ ఉన్నప్పుడు 0.67 అంటే ఇంటర్సెక్స్. ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ 0.5 and 1 రేషియో అయితే ఇంటర్సెక్స్ అవుతుంది. మోర్ దాన్ 1 అయితే సూపర్ ఫీమేల్ అవుతుంది. అదే విధంగా దీనికంటే తక్కువ ఉంటే మెటామేల్ అవుతుంది. దీన్ని సూపర్ ఫీమేల్ అనొచ్చు, మెటా ఫీమేల్ అని కూడా అనొచ్చు, ఏదైనా అనొచ్చు. ఇక్కడ నో ప్రాబ్లం. ఐ థింక్ యూ ఆల్ అండర్స్టూడ్ and you are all very clear about this. I think, see here the if you get the question, genic balance theory of sex determination was explained by Bridges. Explained by Bridges. Here the X and Y chromosomes actually plays an important role in determining the sex. But in case of genic balance theory of sex determination, the balance between the X chromosomes and the autosomes, the balance between the genes which are located on the X chromosome determine the femaleness and autosomes. So like that you have to do the non-disjunction of chromosomes. How can you prove that this is an individual? Lastly, he has concluded at the SRY region. SRY region, that is the sex determining chromosome. Actually, Y chromosome doesn't have the TDF. Testis determining factor is absent in Y chromosome. Y chromosome. So here the Y chromosome, in the absence of Y chromosome, say these are the sterile males. These are the sterile males. అదే విధంగా ఇక్కడ తీసుకున్నట్లయితే AAXXY female. These are the fertile females. Fertile females. అదే విధంగా AAXY males are fertile males. Fertile males. Y region, that is the Y chromosome, is not useful for determining the sex of individual. It is causing the fertility. It acts as a fertility. It is giving fertileness to the individual. Either it is a male or the female. It doesn't cause the maleness or the femaleness. It causes fertility. It acts as a fertility factor. Lastly, it has concluded that the Y region, Y chromosome is useful for the fertility, and the autosomes plays an important role in determining the sex of an individual. Lastly, we also understood that the autosomes plays an important role in determining the sex of an individual. All of you very clear about this, I think. If you have any doubts, call upon me. Thank you.